What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an informative one for you guys. We're gonna be taking out my lifted Tacoma with 285/70/17s out for a trip on some back roads and a little bit of slushy roads, just so that we can kind of get an understanding, see how the Tacoma works in these conditions. Last video I did was kind of a little bit more extreme. If you're at all interested in today's video, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. If there's anything I missed, anything you're wondering about, well, I'm sorry, leave it down below and I will try to get to it right away. We're rocking a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Obviously you already know that by the thumbnail title of the video. So without further ado, let's slap the GoPro on my skull and let's get this show on the road. So I just wanted to show you guys what it's like. Now, we don't get much snow out here in Northern Virginia, so the time I get to get snow, I gotta make as many videos as I can. Luckily, I didn't have to work today due to this inclement weather. So that's always a plus. So I decided, you know, I gotta get out there, I gotta record as many videos as I possibly can. And this is one of the videos I thought about. So we're gonna go ahead and take a left here onto, you know, a road with some snow. Oh, right, see, right there, lost traction. My back end was not trying to stay straight. And I'll be honest with you, that is not a rare occurrence. Like, this thing will want to lose traction at any time. Right there, just a little bit of gas with traction control on. I feel like in the snow especially, you probably don't want to have it. I personally, like, if I wasn't making this video to show you guys, I would have traction control off just for peace of mind, because like, you're going and then it cuts your power and it kills your momentum. Now, of course, you want to kill your momentum if you're like about to go into a wall or something, or you're going over a hump and you don't want to go over too hard. But like, just on a straight road like this, when it kills your momentum, it really like sucks, because then you have to like hold on to the steering wheel straight, make sure you're not about to go into the thickets or anything like that. When you're in the snow, you want to take your time, you want to go nice and easy, because the snow covers up a lot. So if you think you're good to go, there may be a pothole that you're not aware of, and if you're trying to floor it, trying to go fast like I'm going, you'll probably end up paying the price with a new alignment, new wheel, or something like that. On an incline, in two-wheel drive with traction control on, you are going absolutely nowhere. And I mean nowhere. I live on an incline, first to get into my neighborhood, and then my driveway is also an incline, and it's absolutely awful. Like, it is the worst. When I first woke up, it was a winter wonderland. I go outside and I'm like, all right, time to get this show on the road. And then I'm like sitting there spinning my tires. We'll go ahead and just go the other way, two-wheel drive as well, with traction control all the way off. There we go. We'll go ahead and pop that up, and ooh, I'm getting no traction there. Yeah, that was straight. That was all spinach. Like, I was not moving. As long as you take everything nice and easy, even with traction control off, I personally feel a little bit better. We're gonna go ahead and come to a complete stop. There's no one around us. We'll go ahead and pop four-wheel drive on. It's not necessary in this weather, I would say, or here on these roads, but just to give you like a little bit of idea, I definitely feel a lot more grounded with this on, you know, having those two front wheels pulling their weight. Look who we have here. So that kind of puts things in perspective, right? This guy is out here probably, I don't know if those are two-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, but I mean, he's running on some donuts, chillin', like coolin'. He is living the best life. He probably doesn't even realize or even think about four-wheel drive, and I'm over here doing a demonstration on four-wheel drive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut that off. I don't need it. Don't. Oh, that's embarrassing. Nonetheless, just to show you guys, I mean, that really did put things in perspective. You don't need, you know, a crazy rig. I'm happy so far with the performance of the Tacoma. It's doing super well. And honestly, I'm happy that it's doing super well, because I was worried that it wasn't going to be doing super well and I was going to look kind of dumb for, you know, doing this and buying a truck and lifting it and putting bigger tires on and you know, struggling, I would say. But, you know, overall, it's done super great. I honestly think if I was still stock, I would pretty much guarantee I'd be having the same performance. As you guys can see, there is not much of anything left, and we are just enjoying some snow. I was hoping to find a little bit more, you know, roads where there was a lot more snow, you know, maybe a little bit more work to driving, but also I'm alone, so it's not the best to be driving out while you're alone in this type of weather. If it was... It's been your boy, I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow, Cinco de Malo. Peace.